Good morning, students. My dear students, how are you? I hope you all have completed your notes. Now, class, today I am going to explain you the laboratory preparation of some soluble and some insoluble salts. First of all, method you have already studied in the table. Now, today I am going to discuss procedures with you how to prepare soluble salts and insoluble salts in laboratory. First of all, and the very important salt is FeCl3. FeCl3, the method of preparation is synthesis or direct combination. Reaction is 2Fe plus 3Cl2 given to FeCl3. My dear students, this is the setup. Look at the figure 3.3. In this setup, fused calcium chloride is used as a dehydrating drying agent. Okay, and class, because FeCl3 is highly deliquescent, so it is kept dry with the help of fused calcium chloride, and fused calcium chloride act as a drying agent. Now next point is, we cannot prepare by simply heating the hydrated ferric chloride anhydrous FeCl3. We cannot prepare anhydrous FeCl3 by heating hydrated ferric chloride. Why? Because on heating FeCl3.6H2O, it produces Fe2O3.H2O and HCl. Again, it is give reason question, and the question is why we cannot prepare anhydrous FeCl3 by simply heating hydrated ferric chloride. Okay. Now class, anhydrous iron 3 chloride is used as a catalyst in certain chemical reactions. Second is zinc sulfate and iron sulfate. The method is displacement reaction. Zn plus H2SO4 given ZnSO4 plus H2, ZnSO4 plus 7H2O given ZnSO4 plus 7H2O. This is white vitriol. I repeat, ZnSO4 plus 7H2O, arrow ZnSO4 dot 7H2O. 7 water molecules are associated with one molecule of ZnSO4. Now what is the procedure? My dear students, procedure कभी भी पूछा नहीं जाता है एग्जाम में, but any question can be asked from the procedure. So you have to read all the procedures. Now I am discussing only the method of preparation and reaction. Okay. And ZnSO4.7H2O is known as white vitriol. Okay. You have to study step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4 from your book, and at the end, white needle shaped crystals of hydrated zinc sulfate, which is commonly known as white vitriol, are obtained. Now next is iron 2 sulfate or green vitriol. It is FeSO4.7H2O. Fe plus the dilute H2SO4 given FeSO4 plus H2, again FeSO4 plus 7H2O given FeSO4.7H2O. This is green vitriol. Again, pale green crystals of hydrated 2 sulfate are formed. Now next is lead chloride and calcium carbonate. Lead chloride PbCl2 and calcium carbonate CaCO3 both are insoluble salts, and insoluble salts can be prepared by double decomposition or precipitation reaction. Now first we study PbCl2. PbCl2, it is prepared by adding either dilute hydrochloric acid or sodium chloride solution to a solution of lead nitrate. and reaction is PbNO3 twice plus 2HCl, PbCl2 plus 2HNO3, or PbNO3 twice plus 2NaCl given PbCl2 plus 2NaNO3. Here class we obtained needle shaped crystals of lead chloride, and you know that lead chloride is soluble in hot water but insoluble in cold water. By this method we can prepare chlorides of lead, silver and mercury, and the sulfates of barium, lead and calcium are also prepared using this method. Calcium carbonate reaction is CaCl2 plus Na2CO3 given CaCO3 plus 2NaCl. You all know that carbonates of all the metals except sodium, potassium and ammonium are prepared by the above method. Sodium, potassium, they are highly reactive metals. Now class, preparation of an acid salt, sodium bicarbonate, NaHCO3. It is prepared by passing carbon dioxide gas into a cold solution of sodium carbonate, Na2CO3 plus CO2 plus H2O given 2NaHCO3. My dear students, I am not discussing the method stepwise. I request all of you to please read the method from your book. I am discussing only the reaction and the method of preparation. Now next is neutralization reaction. Neutralization reaction you all know. When acid react with base to form salt and water only, this is known as neutralization reaction. Neutralization is the process by which H plus ions of an acid react completely with the OH minus ions of a base to give salt and water only. And well-known reaction is NaOH plus HCl given NaCl plus H2O. Now next is preparation of copper to sulfate or blue vitriol. Again, this is very important reaction. And never write Cu plus dilute H2SO4 given CuSO4 plus H2, because this reaction will not occur. Okay, ये नहीं होता है reaction. Copper never react with dilute H2SO4, और आपकी मोस्ट कॉमन मिस्टेक यही होती है. ओके, जब कभी भी आता है हाउ यू विल प्रिपेयर कॉपर सल्फेट, सबसे पहले स्टूडेंट लिख देते हैं Cu प्लस डाइल्यूट H2SO4 गिवन CuSO4 प्लस H2. माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज रॉन्ग रिएक्शन. कॉपर सल्फेट कैन बी प्रिपेयर्ड बाई CuOH twice plus dilute H2SO4, CuO plus dilute H2SO4, CuCO3 plus dilute H2SO4. Okay. Now class, copper will not react with dilute H2SO4 because copper is below hydrogen in metal reactivity series. This you all know. Now next is preparation of sodium sulfate